Okay, so the first one I want to work with is 2x minus 4 equals 8. So what I'm going to first do is put an equal sign in the middle here, and that will help us because that's how the problem's set up. So 2x, so you need 2x, 1, 2, minus 4, so we need 4 negative ones, and then equals 8, so we need 8 positive on this side. 8. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is get the x by itself. So what I'm going to do is take these ones and put them over here. But to do that, I need to 0 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 0 them out. And then when I do to this side, I need to do this side. So I add 4 more over here and delete these. And so we're left with 2x equals 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So then what we have to do next is divide 2 to both sides. So how you would do this, instead of really dividing, you split them up. So you put 1x here and 1x here. And then I like to draw a line for helping me split them up, and you put the same number with this x and the same number with this x if you can. Well, it works out perfectly, so this is what we're going to do. So the answer is x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 12 divided by 2 is 6. Alright, so let's do the next one. X plus 10 equals 2x. So x, what was a positive x, plus 10, so 10 of these, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, equals 2x, 1, 2. So let's get the x by themselves. So what we need to do is we need to take this x and get it over here, and to do that we need to negative x to find 0 pairs, and those will cancel out. And what we do that side, we need to do this side, so put an x over there. So we're going to delete the 0 pairs. So we're left with x equals 10, and I like to see my work visually, so x 10 equals x. Alright, so the next one is 2x plus 3 equals x minus 5. So let's start out with 2x plus 3 equals x minus 5, so we need negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the x's by itself and the units by themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minus 3, and what I do to this side, I need to do this side. So minus 3, those are going to cancel, and we need to do it to this other side as well. So delete these because they're going to cancel each other out. So we're left with 2x equals x minus 8. Did I do that correctly? Minus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, okay. And then we need to get the x on the other side, so we're going to minus x. So we need to minus, if you minus x on this side, you need to do the same thing on this side. And then you need to do 0 pairs. 1, 2, there we go, and a 0 pair there. So let's write it out. It is x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But they're negative, so make sure you do negative 8. Whoa. Great drawing skills. Alright, and the next one is 7x minus 4. So let's just start with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x minus 4. So we need 4 negatives equals 6x plus 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 12, so they're positive. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these to make them 0 pairs. 2, 3, 4. And what I'm going to do to this side, so those will cancel out, and I have to do the same thing to this side, so add 4. Excuse me. 2, 3, 4. Let's cross. Get these out of here. There we go. And now I need to get the x's on one side, so we need a minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, let's cancel these out. We have to put 6 on this side, and when we do this side, we've got to do this side. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we need to delete these ones because they are canceling each other out. So those are 0 pairs is also called. And then we gotta find 0 pairs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are left with x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, got 2 more left. The next one is 4x, 2, 3, 4, minus 2, so we need negative 1, 2. Make sure you put that equal sign in the middle. And then 2x, 1, 2, plus 3, so we need positive 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, the first thing I want to do is get these over here, so we need to cancel those out. So we need to add here. What we do to this side, we do to this side, so I'm going to add 2 over there and get these canceled out because they're 0 pairs. Next, I want to get the x's by themselves, so I'm going to minus 2x. Minus 2x, so what we do to this side, we do to this side, so minus 2x. Then we need to find 0 pairs. Whoa! Find 0 pairs. 2, 1, 2. And we're left with 2x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And, so, you know how earlier I moved them to try to split them up? So if I did try that, I want to show you so you see that I understand. If I did try that, put 1 on this side, 1 on this side. You put 2 on this side, you put 2 on this side. You have this extra one, so it would end up 5 halves, but with algebra tiles, you can't do that. So it's going to end up with 2x equals 5. And last but not least, we have 2x plus 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 3x minus 4. Oh, 3, 1, 2, 3x minus 4, so we need negative 1, 2, 3, 4. The first thing I'm going to do is get these to the other side, so I need to add them. 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to add 4 to this side, add 4 to this side, then I'm going to cross out my 0 pairs, which these cancel out, because there's 0 pairs, and no 0 pairs over here, so no cancellations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now I need to get the x's by themselves, so I'm going to need to minus, and when I do this side, do this side, so this will be, these will cancel out, and these are also 0 pairs. So the answer to this one is, I count these already, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equals x. Now some of these that I wrote like this, or you could write it like x equals 10. Either way works. And so that is the algebra tiles right here I went through all of those, so I will be done.